What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 water filters according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details and the latest pricing. At first, we have the APEC Rose 50. This APEC Rose 50 is our best overall choice for improving the quality of tap water. For enhanced performance, its filtration system includes double carbon blocks, and further to that, since it has a 5-stage reverse osmosis system, it can remove up to 99% of the most common contaminants found in tap water, such as lead, chlorine, bacteria, copper, fluoride, and iron. This reverse osmosis system is commonly found beneath kitchen sinks to provide filtered water for drinking and cooking, and its daily output is 50 gallons, which is adequate for the average household of 3 to 4 people. It comes with a 4-gallon storage tank, faucet dispenser, filter set, required tubing, and an installation kit. And what's more, it uses high-quality, leak-free quick connect fittings, so it does not require any additional lock clips to seal the leak, like other brands. Next is Pure Plus. This is Pure's most basic faucet mount filter. This faucet filter is horizontal rather than vertical as most are. Its sleek design complements any kitchen, and with its filter change light, it can clearly indicate filter status, ensuring cleaner water straight from your faucet. It uses mineral core technology, which filters water over natural minerals for a great taste, and it can provide a capacity of 100 gallons of filtered water, which is equivalent to 750 single-use plastic bottles. It is simple to attach and does not require any tools for installation. And at last, it is compatible with most faucets, except for pull-out or handheld faucets. Next up, we have the Aquasana. The Aquasana EQ1000 AST is the next generation of the award-winning EQ line of water filters. It uses cutting-edge filtration technology to provide cleaner, healthier water. And along with that, it can also remove chlorine, lead, and other contaminants from your water supply using a 4-stage filtration process. Its SCM salt-free technology reduces scale buildup on internal pipes and plumbing, naturally and safely, without the use of harsh salts or chemicals. And unlike salt-based softeners, this Aquasana salt-free water conditioner will not demineralize your water, harm your pipes with harsh salt, or introduce excessive sodium waste into your communal water supply. Its newly improved divider valve allows for a flow rate of up to 11.8 gallons per minute with no discernible change in water pressure. And at last, you will receive a filter tank, conditioner tank, 20-inch pre-filter, post-filter, brass fittings for 1-inch or 3/4-inch pipes, bin supports, and a shutoff valve as components. Next is Waterdrop 10UB. Waterdrop is well known in the water filter industry for producing high-quality at-home water filtration systems, and the Waterdrop 10UB is no exception. It can reduce pollutants such as chlorine, taste and odor, sediment, rust, and other heavy metals, with a filtration accuracy of 0.5 m. It does include a lead-free brushed stainless steel faucet designed to provide safe filtered water. And as a result, the combination of the dedicated faucet and your original faucet will separate filtered water from unfiltered water, meeting your various daily water needs. Its lead-free brushed stainless steel faucet can be installed under your sink or in your RV to get clean drinking water whenever you need it. And in terms of flow rate, this under-sink water filtration system's tested full flow rate is 0.75 GPM at 60 psi, which is a fast and stable water supply that provides pure and fresh water that tastes like spring water. Lastly, we have the Pure DS1811Z. This Pure Plus water filtration pitcher filter is WQA certified to reduce lead and other potentially harmful contaminants in your water. Also, it is certified to remove 3 times more contaminants than Brita's leading pitcher filter. Starting with its capacity, this Pure Plus water dispenser can provide you with 30 cups of refreshing filtered water. That is 18 cups of filtered water and 12 cups in the holding tray. And despite its large water dispenser, it is also dishwasher safe, allowing you to avoid grime buildup. It has a slim, space-saving design that will fit easily into the fridge. And in addition, there is also a pull-down spout for easy use and a carrying handle for effortless transport. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.